Using hyperlinks in Noteful might be different than you expect it to be, so let me show you the right way to use your hyperlinks in Noteful. So using hyperlinks in Noteful is very different than, let's say, GoodNotes. In GoodNotes, you have to turn the toolbar on and off to be able to use your hyperlinks, but in Noteful, you don't have to do that, which is really nice and kind of handy. So if you want to use the hyperlinks in Noteful, what you're going to do either with your finger or with your pencil is you're going to long press, and it's going to turn blue, and then it's going to go to whatever hyperlink that you're clicking on. So if I wanted to use my finger instead, I'm just going to long press, and it's going to take me right there. And you can move throughout your planner without ever having to turn off this toolbar up here, and that's how you use the hyperlinks. So just long press on them. You're going to see they've kind of like changed to blue, and then it's going to move. It didn't do that one because I was already on that page, but you can see here it's going to turn to blue, and it's going to go to wherever that hyperlink directs you. So that's how to use hyperlinks in Noteful.